Ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, but hate being on camera? What if I told you that you can launch a full YouTube channel without showing your face, using only AI? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step, from idea to video, with no code, no mic, and no stress. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to suggest trending YouTube channel ideas based on your interests. For example, you could say, give me 5 channel ideas about productivity, tech, or gaming. Once you pick a niche, ask ChatGPT to generate 10 channel name options. Check availability on YouTube and social media. Boom, you now have a brand idea in 2 minutes. Next, it's time to make your channel look sharp. Design your logo and banner using Looka or Canva AI. These tools suggest color palettes, fonts, and layouts automatically, so you don't need any design skills. Download everything in the right dimensions for YouTube. Your channel's visuals are set. Now for content. Use ChatGPT to write your first video script. Just give it a prompt like, script for a 5-minute YouTube video on productivity hacks. Read through the draft, tweak it to match your voice or style, and you're done. No writer's block, no stress. Don't want to speak? No problem. Use ElevenLabs or TTS Labs to turn your script into a super realistic voiceover. Pick the tone, accent, and even clone your own voice if you want. In minutes, you've got a professional-sounding narration, all AI generated. Now let's make your video. Use Pictory.ai or InVideo to pair your script and voiceover with stock footage, subtitles, and music, all powered by AI. No camera, no editing skills required. Just drag, drop, and export a finished video ready for YouTube. Almost there. Upload your video and use VidIQ to generate titles, descriptions, tags, and even thumbnails using AI. You can fully optimize your video without being an SEO expert. Everything's handled, giving you way more time to focus on creating. And just like that, you've launched a faceless YouTube channel using only AI. If this blew your mind, subscribe for more tutorials like this every week on Efficiently AI. Stay smart, stay efficient.